just arrived at my destination and I'm going to do my hair removal, my depilation today. And I will show to you again, I already showed to you in one vlog here, but I will show to you today again the place that I want to go here in Amsterdam. It is perfect. And yeah, let's go. So that's the place, the waxing company. And if you want to come here, make sure that it's the Amsterdam and it's not the Utrecht, because normally they send you to Utrecht. I don't know why, but yeah, that's it. And now I came to find Mel and Brian, and we will have our breakfast, and I will show you a little bit of the place. This is the New York pancake. It seems so nice. Now we came to the Friends Experience, the one in Amsterdam.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing.
So we are now in the apartment of Chandler and Joey. So nice. Yeah.
All these made up reasons, you're the only one for me. My heart is wasted, keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love.
We are here in the apartment of the girls now. Yay! A lot of people, of course.
It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. What's getting harder to ignore?
Right now in the sofa.
Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we?
I bought too much, so I put everything in my bicycle and going home with the bicycle. Now it's her time. Now it's her time. Let's go out. Let's go out. Sim, mãe, por favor.
Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing. All these made up reasons, you're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small.
So at home, already took a shower. Snacks for her. So good. Of cheese. And the snacks for me. A lot of people that I know are sick, so I went to the supermarket and I bought this vitamin C shot. I will drink right now because yeah, it's better to take a shot of vitamin C. I have also vitamin C and D here at home. I have some supplements here at home, and it is good to have, especially if you live in the north of Europe, where there is not so many days with sun. And besides to have some supplements, I always prefer to have some juice, organic shots that are the best. It's better for the organism, for us, for the planet, for everyone. So, cheers!
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing. All these made up reasons, you're the only was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. Was getting harder to ignore, yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Growing out of love. Growing out of love.
Good morning, guys. Another day in paradise, and let's go get our coffee. This is a hidden Starbucks. If you didn't know, we are here in the central station. That is his huge Starbucks with a beautiful view that I will show to you right now. This is my neighborhood. It's a quiet place, really nice, really near to the center, but really quiet, as you can hear.